Unit 2. 2.1. Birds can fly. A. Listen, sing and act. Birds can fly, birds can fly. Up in the sky and I can fly too. Frogs can jump, frogs can jump. Very, very high and I can jump too. Ducks can swim, ducks can swim. Deep in the water and I can swim too. Dogs can walk, dogs can walk. On the ground and I can walk too. Horses can run, horses can run. In the forest and I can run too. Bunnies can hop, bunnies can hop. On the grass and I can hop too. B. Look, listen, repeat and enact. Fly, jump, swim, walk, run, hop.